Welcome back everyone, Farmers Market Christmas special with the amazing Key from Foodie Momma PH, and today we're going to teach you how to cook an amazing whole baked salmon with a sauce to die for. It's a honey mustard sauce which is amazing. So let's go to it. Let's go.
If you haven't seen the previous episode yet, we have cooked an amazing roast chicken and veg. And today, we're making a quick and easy baked salmon with honey mustard sauce. We're going to be using a whole New Zealand king salmon fillet with skin on, scale off, and belly on from Farmers Market Singapore. We only need a few simple ingredients in this recipe. 1 to 2 tablespoons salt, 1 to 2 tablespoons cracked black pepper, 1 whole garlic minced, 1/2 cup unsalted butter melted, and 3 to 4 tablespoons lemon juice. Place the whole salmon fillet on a huge foil and add in all the ingredients. Make sure that everything is spread out on every part of the salmon. Fold the sides of the foil so all the salmon juices will be saved, and add in the fresh green herbs like dill and parsley, and top it off with some lemon slices, festive looking rosemary, and huge asparagus pieces on the side with some more minced garlic. Y'all know we love garlic. Sprinkle some lemon zest for some zing and a drizzle of EVOO. And it's gonna cook at 180 to 200 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. While it's cooking, we're gonna prepare the honey mustard sauce. We need 2 tablespoons manuka honey, 4 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 to 2 tablespoons lemon juice, lemon zest, 1 to 2 tablespoons lingam hot sauce, 1 to 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard. Add in all the ingredients in a sauce bowl and keep mixing until it looks like this. Finish it off with freshly cracked black pepper and some salt, and that's it. We picked 0% alcohol spirits to pair with our salmon, and I can already tell they're gonna go well with it. So here it is, people, our version of baked salmon with honey mustard sauce.
Cheers. Cheers.
Ooh,
Nice, right? Really
I like
refreshing.
it. Yeah, it's like a summer drink.
Yeah.
All right, let's try the salmon. Do the honors.
All right. Sorry. Oh, Michelle, can we grab one of those spatulas things?
We're gonna get a huge chunk in here.
A big chunk of sauce. Here we go. Yum. It's got a bit of spice and it's really nice. Really good. So tender. New Zealand salmon. Really good.
Garlicky, and the salt and pepper is just enough. Right?
Yeah, it's really good.
A little bit of crunch from the asparagus. Perfect.
Perfect. When you've got someone who can cook, it is perfect.
These are healthier and lighter alternatives to your normal meat dinners.
Yeah, well prepared. Cheers. Cheers. Bon appetit.